Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Ceramic Pans is probably one of the most sought-after cookware choices for health-conscious and environmentally friendly cooks, offering a non-stick surface without the use of harmful chemicals like PFOA, and often made with sustainable materials. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we will review some of the top-rated ceramic pans on the market, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Gotham Steel 20-piece set. This comprehensive set provides all the pots, pans, and bakeware you need. It's perfect for everyday cooking and baking. Let's explore what's inside. You'll find various sizes of frying pans, saucepans, stockpots, and a full array of baking dishes. It features a 3x coated ceramic surface reinforced with diamonds for superior food release. No oil or butter needed. This cookware is free of harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, making it a healthy choice for your family. The diamond-infused coating is incredibly durable, allowing you to use metal utensils without scratching the surface. Cleanup is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleaning. Use it on any stovetop and even in the oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The lids are included for all your cooking needs. What we like? This comprehensive set provides all the essentials for cooking and baking. Its superior non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, saving you valuable time. If you're looking for a complete kitchen solution that simplifies cooking and cleaning, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? Cleaning is extra easy. The non-stick coating actually does its job, so I don't have to spray or grease my pans. And they still look as good as they did when they came straight out the box. Crafted from high-quality materials, their cookware stands up to heavy use without showing signs of wear and tear. Whether I'm searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or simmering sauces, I have confidence that my Gothic steel pots and pans can handle whatever I throw their way. Beyond durability, the cooking performance of Gothic steel products is truly exceptional. Thanks to their even heat distribution, I can achieve consistent results with every dish. From perfectly seared steaks to flawlessly cooked pasta, these pans never fail to impress. Another standout feature of Gothic steel cookware is its non-stick surface. Even without the need for excessive oil or butter, I can effortlessly release food from the pan, making cleanup a breeze. They clean up quick and easy. Number 4. Michelangelo 10 Frying Pan. It features an elegant granite interior that's incredibly non-stick and scratch-resistant. This ensures durability and optimal cooking performance. Food practically slides off. Made from professional-grade aluminum alloy, it heats quickly and evenly. The anti-warp base guarantees consistent heat distribution, eliminating hot spots. The heat-resistant glass lid lets you monitor cooking easily, sealing in flavor and nutrients. Its long, cool-touch stainless steel handle is comfortable and easy to maneuver. With a flat bottom, it works on all stovetops, including induction, gas, and glass. It's also oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's completely free of harmful substances like PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it a healthy and safe choice for your kitchen. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile and durable frying pan. Enjoy healthier, tastier meals every time. What we like? This pan's exceptional non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Its even heating ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. If you appreciate convenience and consistently delicious results, this pan is ideal for you. What people say? The heat distributes evenly with these pans. Pretty stable, don't scratch easily. This pan is great for eggs and super fast to clean. It is dishwasher safe, but I've always hand-washed my pans. This pan takes seconds to clean. Eggs come out perfect and never stick. Lid has steam release hole which makes over easy eggs a breeze. Nothing sticks, everything wipes clean so easily. Honestly, I haven't been this impressed with pans before. Number 3. Kitchen Academy Set. This 12-piece set includes everything you need for everyday cooking. It's perfect for creating delicious and healthy meals for your family. The granite coating makes it incredibly easy to clean. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to effortless cleanup. Its lead, PFOS, and PFOA free, ensuring healthy cooking for you and your loved ones. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's free from harmful chemicals. The aluminum core ensures even heating, so your food cooks perfectly every time. It works on all major cooktops, including induction. The Bakelite handles are heat-resistant and safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a secure and comfortable grip. They're also easy to clean and stain-resistant. Each piece undergoes a strict multi-inspection process, ensuring high quality. Our 24/7 customer service is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. This extensive set offers a variety of pieces for all your cooking needs. The toxin-free non-stick surface promotes healthy cooking, and the even heating ensures consistent results. If you need a versatile and healthy cookware set, this is the one for you. What people say. The whole set is also very easy to clean, very durable. They are easy to clean and cook very evenly. The handles do not get hot like I thought they might. They are still non-stick. I can make eggs with cheese and they don't stick at all. I can literally just wipe the pan with a napkin. Number 2. Caraway Fry Pan Duo. This pan set makes cooking healthier and easier than ever before. It's made with a non-toxic ceramic coating, so you can enjoy delicious meals without harmful chemicals. Say goodbye to scrubbing. It's naturally non-stick, so eggs slide right off and cleanup is a breeze. Enjoy cooking and cleaning with ease. These pans require less oil or butter, leading to healthier cooking. The naturally slick surface makes cooking and cleaning effortless. It's completely free of harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOA, and PFAS. Cook with confidence knowing it's safe for you and your family. It's compatible with all stovetops and oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Just use low to medium heat and a little oil or butter for perfect results. What we like. This set offers 2 sizes for versatile cooking. The naturally slick, non-toxic surface makes cooking and cleaning a dream. If you prioritize healthy cooking and easy cleanup, this is the perfect option. What people say. It cleans like a dream. We've only used it about 4 times. But you really don't need any oil, the eggs fly right off. Heats up well and evenly. Nothing sticks to the pan. Cleans up like a dream. This is a new purchase and I have only cooked scrambled eggs in it so far, but it was perfectly non-stick. It's beautiful and feels heavy and sturdy. The handle is comfortable and has a good grip. Number 1. Country Kitchen Cookware. Say goodbye to cooking frustrations. It's designed for easy cooking, boiling, frying, and sautéing, with minimal oil needed. Cleanup is a breeze, too. This cookware is made with a safe, non-toxic non-stick coating. It's perfect for everyday use and making delicious meals for your family. The Bakelite handles stay cool to the touch, ensuring safe and comfortable handling while you cook. You can confidently handle hot pots and pans. This comprehensive set includes everything you need. You get pots, pans, a steamer, and more, all in one beautiful set. These aren't just functional, they're also stylish. The speckled coating and wood-like handles add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you. What we like. This set provides exceptional non-stick performance for effortless cooking and cleaning. The safe coating and cool-touch Bakelite handles ensure worry-free cooking. If you value ease of use and safety, this set is perfect for you. What people say. They are good quality, pretty and very easy to clean. These pots and pans are exceptional. They are aluminum with a metal, netted plate on base of pots and pans. This seems to distribute the heat evenly. They also heat up quickly to the desired temperature. No need for SOS, they clean up easily with one of those small sponges with the abrasive green pad on one side. They can be purchased at dollar store, Walmart, many places. I have not had any problem with burning, sticking, odd taste, nothing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.